Hello and welcome to this Excel video tutorial. Today I'll show you how you can create custom lists in Microsoft Excel. Now you're probably already familiar with the process of using a list. For example, there is a list inside Excel that is the months of the year. So if you type January or an abbreviation into a cell, then Excel will go ahead and fill that range with that list, and it will continue to do so until it gets to the end. And when it gets to the end, it will roll round and start all over again. Now, in addition to the lists that are provided with Microsoft Excel, you can also create your own lists, and they will work in exactly the same way. So I'm going to choose File and then Options, and we'll go to Advanced and scroll down here until you find the option for Edit Custom Lists. So you can click on this option and it opens up a dialog, and here is the January, February, March list. That's exactly the list that we used a minute ago, and it is a custom list created inside Excel. So what we're going to do is we're going to create our own custom list. To do this, we're going to click on New List, and then you can start typing the entries in the list. Now I'm going to add in the states of Australia. So these are the abbreviations for the states of Australia. Each one of them has been typed into the list entries dialog, and then I press the enter or return key to move forward to insert the next entry. Now once you've got all of your entries in there, you can just click to add them as a list. And now they're going to function exactly the same way as any list in Excel. So let's type, for example, SA, which was one of those entries in the list. Now if I drag across, I'll be given all of the entries, and if I stop at Victoria, then these are the states of Australia and obviously the territories. So these lists work exactly the same way as Microsoft Excel's own lists. Now there is an additional benefit to creating lists. Let's just go and start this list again. I'm going to make it go down a column. I'm going to start with NSW, and I'm going to wrap around until I get to the end of the list. So these entries are the states in that list. I'm going to select over them and I'm going to sort them. So if I go to Sort and Filter and click Custom Sort, you'll find that there is an option for order that is a custom list order. So I can order this column by my custom list. So I'm going to get my custom list. I'm going to click on the entry I made as being the order I want to use. I'll click OK. Now my data doesn't have headers, so I'm going to disable that. So what's going to happen is that all of this data is going to be sorted in order of the list when I click OK. So you can see, even though I started a list with New South Wales and dragged it down, I can reorder everything in order of the list order by using the sort and filter options. And this technique can be applied, for example, anytime you want a custom sort order. So if you want to sort things by a custom order, simply create a list that's in the order that you want to sort things into, and then you'll be able to use that list as a custom sort. And these lists are saved with Excel, so they're going to be there next time you open and use Microsoft Excel. I hope this video has been of help to you. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up, click the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be alerted when new videos are released. Until next time, my name's Helen Bradley. Thank you so much for joining me here on my YouTube channel.